What's up, Trojans? My name is Jaden Ramos, and today is a very special day. Today is Open House, where our parents come and meet our teachers and get more information about the school itself. So, what exactly is Open House? Open House is a day where the students' parents visit the school. They visit our classrooms, they talk to our teachers, learn more information about our teachers, and they learn exactly what the teacher is teaching in the class, potential field trips, and overall it's an excellent opportunity for our parents to be more involved in their children's education. And I'm going to be capturing the opinions of some of the visiting parents. So let's get straight into it.
So right now we're at Open House, and Open House is like an event for like parents to meet the students' teachers and like what type of activities they're in. And we also have it in the cafeteria where we can go around and see the types of clubs. So for example, over here we have SGA and like all our like achievements and everything like our club has to offer. And there's athletics, there's Key Club, like there's so many benefits of coming to Open House.
And this is Key Club, so we're all about giving back to the community. People can get service hours for it, and it's just a really good time.
HOSA is pretty much our medical program here at the school, where students can learn how to take care of people, and if they want to go to the medical field after high school, this is where they pretty much learn everything.
What exactly does the engineering club do?
So we enter in a bunch of competitions, we build bridges, we build rockets, CO2 cars, basically anything that you want. Because the opportunities that I found is that I've joined an internship, that gave me a lot of experience. It's really good to put on a resume.
I'm representing MTL, BSU, and debate.
3 clubs.
Yeah.
Can you give me a description of these clubs?
Okay, so MTL is called, that's short for Mentoring Tomorrow's Leaders, and essentially it's a club that like helps students with their homework or like trains them to be like the next ones to do so.
Like tutoring?
Yeah. BSU is like Black Student Union, so we help do like enrichment things, and then also like help spread information around the school for the Black majority. And then debate is just like debate. It's like we go to tournaments, we argue, we perform.
So basically we're Marine Club, and our sister club is Spuds. So basically here we work on like conservation efforts and stuff to promote like conservation efforts for marine life and marine environment. And for SPUDS, we work on, it stands for Students Preventing Unintentional Drowning Situations. So we're basically working on like promoting awareness for students and people getting caught in drowning situations.
Naval Junior Reserve Officer Training Corps, also known as NJRTC.
And what exactly do you do there?
I am an administrative officer. I do the paperwork. So any paperwork turned in, I turn that in and I put that into the system to make sure the cadets get their grades.
So what is NJROTC?
It's a leadership program that teaches kids military etiquette and just betters the cadet themselves.
What exactly is it you're representing here in Open House?
Representing Make Our Schools Safe.
And what is it exactly that you do in this club?
So in this club, we brainstorm ideas to try and make our schools safe. It was founded right after the Marjorie Stoneman Douglas shooting.
It's so great to have parents come, even for the fact of being able to walk the halls and the distance that your children need to walk in a matter of minutes, and that's no exaggeration. So if you see a lot of students, your child is marked late, sometimes there's a valid reason, in all sincerity.